I am so excited for today's video. The nails I'm going to be showing everyone today are the wedding nails that I wore for my brother and now sister-in-law's wedding a few weeks ago. So I wanted to do something that was simple and classy, but still had a little bit of pizzazz to it. And normally I wear like pretty wild mismatched nails, but a while ago I told my sister-in-law, before she ever said anything to me, bless her heart, she never said a word to me, but I told her, don't worry, I will be doing some subdued, very calm nails and they'll be matching for your wedding. So I started out by doing this really fun color called Turn on the Juice from OG Dip Powder, and it's like a creamy white shimmer that also glows crazy bright green when it's dark out. And I thought, oh, this is perfect to wear under my nails or under the main color of my mani, so that at night when I was out on the dance floor and when we were out at night, my nails would glow really, really bright green, which they did. So I decided to do 2 dips of this color, and then the top color that I went with was called Love That Journey. I did a poll in the OG Dip Powder Crew group on Facebook to ask everybody what color I should wear, since I have almost all 500 to 600 of OG's colors, and so many people voted for this gorgeous color that I'm dipping right now called Love That Journey. And it just felt really fitting for me to wear a color called Love That Journey for my brother's wedding. It's been such a fun journey, watching them get ready for their wedding and feeling like such a proud big sister. So I did 3 full dips of all the colors. And I wanted to do that because I wanted my nails a little bit thicker than I normally do, just because I had no peel base on and I was going to be wearing them for 1 to 2 weeks, which I ended up wearing these a week. So I went through and I did 2 dips of Turn on the Juice, 1 dip of Love That Journey, which is like a gorgeous pinky champagne super shimmer, and then I topped all of my nails with clear. And anytime I do any color, you guys will see in all my tutorials that I like to top everything with clear. And the reason I do that is because I like to protect any colors, whether it's a solid, a shimmer, or a glitter. To me, it just feels right to put clear over everything and protect my colors for when I tend to be rough. As you can see here, I was tracing around my cuticles, and somehow I got the pointy nail tool stuck under my finger and sliced up the underneath, which is why I am a huge proponent for everyone to have liquid band-aid in their nail tool. You have to have this. If you're anything clumsy like me, you need to make sure you have liquid band-aid. So then I activated my nails after I topped them with clear, and then I brushed off the excess and activated them, waited a few minutes, and now I really didn't have to buff much since these colors went on super smooth. I was just shaping everything up nicely, and then I always go around all of my cuticles with this barrel bit. It's an extra fine barrel bit from Pana, and even after 2.5 years, I do not do the best cuticle lines. I will openly say it, and that is why you will either always see me doing this, or when you see my final nails, that I have gone through and used that cuticle bit to get the perfect cuticle line. Then I cleaned up all the dust with isopropyl alcohol, activated them again, and now I'm going through with my top coat so you can see how gorgeous and shiny it is. And so I forgot to take any pictures at the wedding of them glowing bright green because I was having so much fun, but I hope you guys had fun watching me do my wedding nails, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for joining me today, nail crew.